What's up guys, welcome to another vlog. If you're new here, I'm SK. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. To all my returning viewers, thank you for always coming back, of course, and for rocking with me for all this time. Guys, we're on our way to 10,000 subscribers. Well, should I say 9,000 subscribers, but I am aiming to hit 10,000 subscribers by January. Y'all can help me do that. Share this video, make sure you comment, like the video. The more you like it, more you comment, more you share, the more YouTube work with me and push out the videos to people that don't know us over here. All right, so anyways, happy Sunday. I am just in the kitchen about to make Sunday dinner. I'm going to make a famous Jamaican punch, or should I say we don't call it punch, but anyways, you'll see. So I am about to go and do rice and peas with some lentils. See that? I've never ever cooked rice and peas with lentils. I always use the red peas or gungo peas, but yeah, we'll see how this comes out today. So I'm about to go and put it in the pot. So yeah, y'all cooking with me today and spending Sunday with me. Yeah. And then next we have our coconut milk. Yeah, the coconut milk, y'all won't be able to see, but it's actually, because it's so cold, y'all see how this piece stick to the can? It is so cold that the coconut milk looks like this. You can see? So it's basically kind of like, kind of just freeze up because it's so cold. So I'm just gonna stir it around and then throw it in. Of course, I boiled water already, so no coconut milk ain't wasted. So I'm gonna just pour a little bit of hot water in here and we wash it out this can, yeah, because we ain't wasted none of the milk. Everything that stick going in the pot. That's done. Then we're gonna add some water. I've got some scallion and I've got some ginger, but that's gonna go in the pot. I don't have any pepper because you know usually we put like a pepper in the pot, so I'm gonna have to do it without it, but I do sprinkle just a little bit of black pepper in there, and I use ground pimento as opposed to the pimento seeds. They're the same basically. So I put a little bit of that in there, and I put a little bit of black pepper, just a little bit, y'all. And I've got some thyme here. I'm going to get some, wash it, and put that in as well. Put that in. Cover that up. I'm just gonna let that do for a bit, and then I'm gonna put other bits in there. I haven't put like the salt, butter, I do put a little tip of sugar in my recipes. Do you guys do that? You know, it's like sugar, sort of like you just put a little bit. Putting a little bit of sugar, it kind of like activate the coconut milk. That's not the right term, but that's it. It works. It's nice. Just add a little tiny bit of sugar, but I'm gonna add that after. I'm just gonna let that, you know, boil up a little bit, and then after that we can do what we do. In the meantime, I have my chicken legs. I'm cooking chicken legs. I don't know, for some reason I find myself always cooking mostly chicken legs for Sunday dinner. I not just pop them in the air fryer, so it's like the leg and thigh, and I pop them in the air fryer and it cooks within, sounds like rain is awake, hold on, I don't even remember what I was saying. Yeah, so on Sundays I find myself just cooking chicken legs, leg and thigh, and pop them in the air fryer. They cook within 25 minutes or so, really quick, and then I make a nice sauce to put with that. And yeah, so today I'm gonna do that. I don't have my famous plan to do, but I'm gonna do some veg on the side. I was gonna do coleslaw, but I think for now I'm just gonna do like veg, like carrots and broccoli and that sort of thing, and that's gonna be our side dish today. Yeah, we spoke about this last vlog, talking about what we put on sides, and I don't go overboard when it comes to sides. It's literally my meat, my rice and peas, plantain, maybe coleslaw. On this occasion I'm not doing coleslaw, I'm not doing plantain, but we'll have some vegetables on the side, and that should be good enough. Anyways, yeah, so let me go and put these chicken legs in the air fryer, and then we can go and start to make our punch. Here it is, y'all, 4 chicken legs, and then we're gonna put that to cook for 25 minutes. Y'all realize I didn't put any garlic in the pot because I don't have any garlic. I ran out of garlic, but I do have a backup here, which is the garlic powder. So I did went ahead and I put some in the pot, and I've just finished seasoning it up. So I put salt. I'm gonna put some butter in there now, and a little bit of sugar, and I'm to taste that, make sure that it tastes the way that I want it to taste before I put the rice in. So I'm just putting in a bit of butter. Can y'all see the pot? Oh yeah, check it if y'all can see the pot. But yeah, I'm just gonna get a spoon. I'm also gonna try the lentils as well. Okay. Yeah, and then I washed the rice already, so I'm gonna put that in now. So this is what it's looking like, and now I'm just gonna cover this down. Yeah, and I'll let it cook. So yeah, I'm just gonna let that cook. I have my seasonings in this bowl to cut up to make the gravy for the chicken, but I'm going to hold off on that because I want to go ahead and start the carrot drink, y'all. I bought Guinness, so it entails carrots. We need Guinness. Usually it's Supplegen, but I'm going to use Nourishment, which is, it tastes just like Supplegen, y'all, so it really doesn't matter. It's a vanilla flavor as well. So I need that. I need my vanilla essence. Whoa, I didn't close this properly. Need some nutmeg as well. You want more juice, Rivi? Oh, you drank all the juice. Guys, look how Shelly. My rice look, and Riva is begging for juice. I gave him juice and he wants more. Guys, look how Shelly. Look how Shelly this rice is. Look here. Oh my gosh. Your rice is supposed to fall off like this. Look at that. All the rice off. Nice. So this is all done. Cover it with foil.
Thank you.
Because I'm using the cover from this pot to do the gravy pot, because this frying pan did not come with a lid. I've got some mixed veg, so this is what I'm going to steam right now. The chicken is all done, so is the gravy. That's done, and now I have the vegetables in here. And now we can make the drink. Don't ask me how many carrots I'm using for this drink. Yes, we're making a Jamaican carrot drink. Why these carrots coming like this? All broke up. I mean, what's going on? Like, why we can't have like whole carrots in the bag? Like all sorts of broken pieces they just throw in the bag and sell. What's going on with that? But yeah, I'm just about to go and I'm just washing the carrots, and then we'll start blending them up. I do have a juicer over there. Y'all remember I used it in the previous vlog. I used it on the previous vlog, but I'm gonna use this blender. Y'all remember the blender that I got from AliExpress? We're gonna use it today. Yeah, we're gonna use that blender today. So let's go ahead and I'm gonna cut up these carrots and then we'll get to blending. Tell me why I'm about to go and use this blender for the first time. I didn't realize that it was a European plug, but have no fear. This actually came attached to the toaster from AliExpress as well, and it can fit. Look, let me get it to fit. Hold on. Look, I just need to push it in here, and that's it. And let's hope it works, y'all. It should work. Oh my gosh, I didn't even realize that that's what. Did I do that? Did I not realize that this was a EU with an EU plug, and I ordered it anyway? But at least that's a quick fix. Hold on. I need to bring it more forward like this. Put that on. Yeah. After that little drama, we managed to do that. So now we have our carrots. So I'm gonna put some carrot. Can you guys see me? I hope you guys can see me still. Let's move this back a little bit. Let's see. Hold on. Move y'all back a little bit. Some water. Probably not much water. And let's cover it up. I hope you guys can see me. I'm not too far. Oh my gosh, I don't even know the settings on this blender. Juice, I guess. There's juice. Let's put this on. Hold on. Oh, there we go. I turn it up, it stopped. What's going on?
Thank you.
Is it too full? Maybe I put too many carrots in there. Oh my gosh, what's going on? Hold on, y'all. I think.
It's sweet sauce.
Are you done, Riv?
We're done. Oh. Oh, we're done. Let's go on. Let's go on.
I feel like I don't know. Am I doing something wrong? I don't understand. Are you done, baby? Oh, you're almost finished.
I'm not finished.
Here you go. That's it. Oh, really, there's some water on the floor. Let's wipe that up before you. Oh my God. What's going on with me today? Go, Rivi. Lord have mercy. The whole floor now full of water. The whole bottle of water. This is not good. Okay. It's okay. This blender's stressing me out. Let me get myself situated. Let me wipe up this floor because there's water everywhere. Hold on. Y'all, I don't know if it's me. Like, I don't know if I'm doing something wrong. Okay. But guys, I have no idea how to work this thing. What the heck? Oh yeah, look how work. What's going on? I am trying my best here. So I'm pulse. So this is off. Am I supposed to turn this off? So this is off. This is on. But it's on, yeah. Why is it blending it like that and not continuing? Honestly, right? This is stressing me out. This is stressing me out. All of a sudden, it just started to blend. That's a good sign. I'm getting like this smell from it, like burn it, like rubber. I don't know. It's like rubberish kind of. I don't know. But I think this should be good. I'm going to strain it. That's why using the juicer probably would have been better, you know, because I would not have to go through all of this. But I just figured, why not though, right? So let's do that. Guys, the thing about this blender though, you see how it goes on? It just, you literally, there's no, you know, I'm sure usually you like lock in a blender. But here you just sort of just put it down like this. And that's it. Easy peasy. So anyways, we're going to, oh, this looks nice and thick. This is the bowl right here, and I'm just going to just throw it in here. So guys, I've strained it twice already. I've got it in this bowl right here, and let's just see if it needs straining again. It does. Yeah, it does. So I'm just transferring in and out of the bowls, yeah, until I get the right consistency, because I don't want to taste any of this in there. Put in my ingredients. So guys, this is the punch. This is how much I got, and I'm gonna pour it in here and put it in the bottle and put it in the fridge. Well, the freezer, so it can get nice and chilled. I put it in this water bottle. Huh? You want to be my vlog?
Say hi.
Guys, I'm talking to my BFF. She's on the phone, so she's like, hi. Say hi, guys.
Hey.
Hold on there, hold on. Let me answer. Where's she gone? Where you gone?
I'm right here.
Can they see you? Say hi.
Hey, God.
This is Sia, y'all. Oh, y'all met Sia on the vlog before. Remember when I went to Miami and I surprised her at her workplace? Yeah, this is her.
Thank you.
All right, let's pour it in this water bottle. How skilled am I to not pour this on the floor? No, I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna pour it over here in the sink. I'm not playing that because I had too many accidents. What you want, Ruby?
Oh, it's wicked. What do you want? Nourishment.
You want nourishment? That's a big word for you, Riv. This is Mama made some carrot drink, Riv, but this is not for you. You don't want to hear that, huh?
What, say you want some nourishment?
Right?
I saw it. The peanut pudding. I to put it in.
Yes, Ruby. I'm putting it in. I'm filling it up, Riv.
Less than this. Oh, thank you.
Oh my God, this is so perfect. I actually got, so this is the whole jug bowl is finished. And I actually got a whole bottle of, Rivi, thank you for what? You're not getting any of this. This is 2 liters. Can you believe, see, I didn't mean to do this, you know, but it's like exact, the water bottle, so perfect. Wow. So I'm gonna put this in the freezer now so it can get nice and chilled.
I can put it in.
Rivi here holding hip cup now. Here, I got this nourishment for you. You can get some of this. Yeah, I'm gonna pour this. Yes. Let's pour this in for you.
Oh,
Seriously? What do you say? You're welcome. You're welcome. Go watch TV and drink that now.
What you get?
The nourishment, there's like supplement. We don't have supplement. It's like it named nourishment, but it tastes just like supplement. So Kayla drank the rest. She was gonna drink all because I didn't need the 2 cans to go in and drink. I'd use 1.5. So Kayla took some and I tell her leave some for River. So oh my gosh, I done cook, done make the drink. I feel like baking a cake, but I don't have enough vanilla essence. This is not enough essence for a cake. Oh, what did you do for, oh crap, what did you do for Thanksgiving?
I did a whole chicken, salmon, barbecue chicken, baked macaroni and cheese.
It is actually 2 hours later. So when I finished cooking, it was about 3 o'clock. So now it's like 5, right? It's 5. Yeah, so I just plated up my food. And I figured I needed to show you guys. I better use the phone. Y'all can't see because the ring light, the light got everything like blown out. So I can use my phone. There you guys are. And I will just use the phone like so. Y'all see it's steaming hot. So this is it, y'all. Vegetables, rice and peas with lentils and chicken. You okay, Riff? This is the food. And this is the drink right here. I had it in the freezer, so where's my glass? So I'm gonna pour a glass of it now. No, you leave that glass, River. Oh my goodness, you don't touch it. Come on now, calm down. It's okay. Let's pour it in.
I'll drink it. Drink it. I'll drink it. Let's drink it. I'll drink it.
I gave you yours already. River, you've been drinking all day, Riv.
I'm drinking yogurt. Yogurt.
You want a yogurt?
Oh, your yogurt.
Okay, here. See you later.
Yogurt.
Thank you, mommy. Yeah, so that's my food. I'll put the drink in it for so I'm just gonna go. I'm gonna eat it. I'm gonna go and eat. And if I don't catch up with you guys tomorrow, this will be the end of this vlog, a quick little Sunday vlog. What are you guys cooking for Sunday dinner? Comment that down below. Let me know what you're cooking for Sunday dinner. Comment, you know. I want to know what y'all cooking. And I'm gonna go enjoy my food. ShéKayla's like standing right here. Can you wave to the people? Hi. She's patiently waiting because she want to go and get her food. And she don't want to be on camera. So I'm gonna catch up with you guys. I love you guys as always. If you made it to this part in the vlog, if it's the end of the vlog, whatever, I might pick it up tomorrow, might not. But thank you guys so much for being here. All done, Riv. I decided to bake a cake. So that's what I'm here doing now. I was thinking I didn't have enough vanilla essence, but I guess this will do, and then I'm gonna go in the shop and I'm gonna buy some more tomorrow. So I don't know if I really wanted to bake the cake today, but then I decided, like, you know what, this is not enough. And then I don't know, but I just want the cake. You know, sometimes I don't know what it is about Sundays. After you had your nice Sunday dinner, you just feel for something sweet. This is just me, because that's, I don't know, I feel like Sunday is a nice day to have dessert as well after dinner. So I don't know if this is gonna be enough essence, because I like my cake essence-y. I'm doing a vanilla cake. I'm gonna add a bit of lemon juice in there, and I'm going to also put raisins in it. I told you guys how I bake my cake already. So it's basically, you put flour. I always add cinnamon and nutmeg to mine, so I love to taste the flavor. I love to taste the spices in mine, so cinnamon and nutmeg play a huge part in my cakes. And you know, the vanilla essence, I put some lemon juice just now, obviously the egg, and I'm making it with this stark. It says best for fluffy cake, so yeah. And I'm just blending it up now, but I will show you guys what that looks like. I have my flour here. It's not meant to be like a big old cake, but sometimes I don't intend to make a big cake and it always turns out to be a big cake. So let's see, because I just freestyle everything. I don't, you know. So ShéKayla is feeding her siblings. Sean is not here right now. Sean is on his way home. So ShéKayla just fed River. She's feeding right now. I'm on the phone with my friends. If you can hear noise in the background, the phone is just right there. I don't know if you can see it. And yeah, so I'm just gonna do that, and I will show you guys how the cake turns out. All right. So guys, this is what the cake, see, big old cake. And this is raisins in it. I ended up putting some lemon zest in there. So you see, start off one way and ending up another way. So I'm gonna put this in the oven now. This is the cake. This is how it turned out. This is the cake. I'm gonna cut it now and show you guys. This is a very awkward cut. Oh my gosh. I'm so bad at cutting cake, but look how soft. If you can see it, it's so soft. Look at that. Very, very spongy.